Well, that's it. It's just a short, quick one for now. Some of you have probably noticed it's been a couple months since I last posted a project video. And the reason for that is because I've been kind of behind the scenes working on an online course for leather workers. This should be something that's extremely valuable for most of you. It's designed for anyone who wants to start selling your leather work, Maybe you're struggling to get started. Maybe you've already been selling your work, but you want to sell more. I know that there's so much time and money that goes into this work. And my goal with this course is to help eliminate a lot of the feelings of fear, of failure, and inadequacy, and help you learn from the mistakes that I've made over the last 7 years and get you making money with your work right away. So anyway, this wasn't meant to be a plug for that, but I feel like I owe a huge explanation. I've had so many comments coming in. They're like, where'd the videos? What happened? There's just so much infrastructure and underground weird online stuff that I've been setting up and writing out. So I'll probably be doing that for the next couple months, but I really want to squeeze in a couple videos here and there, and that's why I just did a real small, simple, quick project. This is one that I've actually been wanting to do for a while, but I think there's gonna be a few projects like this that I can squeeze out while I'm working on the course. But if you're really interested in more of this content that can help you sell your work, then make sure you click on the link below. There's a free PDF download that I've already created. It's called the Surefire Social Media Strategy for Leather Workers. And it just includes a simple guide and kind of a worksheet that you can fill out as a strategy for attacking your social media. Go download that, it's free. And once you download it, you'll be included on my email list so that as soon as this course is available, you'll be notified right away. All right, that's it. If you've got any other short, simple project ideas for me that I can try and squeeze out while I'm working on this course, let me know. You know, stuff like this. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.